This is probably the stupidest shot ever. I'm probably out of focus because of the manual lens. But I'm doing it because I'm in an airport and I'm super alone. 5:20.
So 24? 28?
Well, we left the house 10:30 Pacific time. And it is now roughly 2:30 Pacific time.
The following day.
The following day.
And we're still just in New York.
Yeah.
It was supposed to be a 2-hour layover.
And it's now turned into a 24-hour layover.
Yes.
After Delta said...
Originally delayed 2 hours.
An hour in the minutes.
Minute Express Suites?
Minutes Express Suites. And then we gotta wait and see if we actually get on this flight.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
Did we tell them where we're going even?
I said Iceland.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I just said Iceland.
We're trying to get to Iceland.
What is this statue?
Corporate.
Corporate.
Welcome to Iceland. As you will see, there's not a lot of ice because it's summer.
What time is it right now?
9:30 p.m.
Prove it. So where does this lead to?
Another street in Iceland.
First full day? No, not full day.
Who knows what day
I don't
time
know.
it is anymore.
Our trip got unfortunately pooped on because of flight delays. So our first day was in Reykjavik.
Yeah.
So then tomorrow the plan is to do the
Golden Circle.
and that's it, right?
Yeah.
So a lot of stopping and looking at pretty things. And then Monday, our last full day, will be going to
Vic.
Vic, which is the Black Sands
Beach.
Also where they shot the opening of Rogue One.
It's going to be very busy next 48 hours.
Because
by the way, it, as you can see, it's still light and
super,
it is
super light
10
out.
p.m.
People are like walking by being like, the fuck are they doing?
Well, you gotta imagine in winter.
Forgot I hate heights. What do you think of it so far?
It's impressive. What do you think?
It's like the Grand Canyon. It's just wetter.
Wow.
So we head down there, we'll get soaked.
Worth it.
Just don't know if this thing is weather sealed enough for that. Curious if the mics are picking up us or just the water. So what's this waterfall called?
Gold Cross.
So is that because it's made of gold?
They don't know where the name comes from, but they think it's because of the golden hue it takes on during sunset. I read the sign.
Why does this feel more Lord of the Rings than New Zealand?
I don't know, but I was thinking that during the drive. Is it because of the mist?
The Misty Mountains. You still don't know what that means, do you?
No.
Where do you like rate this?
Well, I've been here before. What do you rate it?
I think it's just the wet Grand Canyon.
Okay, well then, let's hope the rest of Iceland gets better.
It's still cool. It's super wet and hilly.
It was a slide.
California sliding over here.
Uh-huh.
That's Lauren on the edge of the world. I don't know if she's talking or if you can even hear her. Okay, can you explain to us why you must pull off the side of the road?
Icelandic horses.
And they call that because?
Because they're shorter.
That one's watching the road.
Hey, Ravi. Why the long face? Hey, sweetie. I'm sorry, I don't have money for the candy.
Oh, horse candy for sale.
I know, but I don't have money.
What do you mean? Is it cash only? We're going to attempt to feed the horses, which is cool. You can use a QR code to pay if you don't have Icelandic currency on you. Oh, I think this horse knows what's up.
Hello. Do you want it? Oh, come on.
You're supposed to put it like right by their mouth, maybe?
Apple Pay had to get involved.
They don't want your food. It's their candy too. There you go. It's amazing how many people came out of nowhere while you're feeding the
I know.
horse. Was that an amazing, life-changing
It was,
experience?
thank
You're welcome. That guy,
He missed out.
oh, now he's coming over. Do you have any more?
No,
Oh,
I can get more.
he's coming over though. All right, where are we at now?
Geezer.
Geezer Center. This is where all the geezers go. It smells like crap.
Geezer. And go.
Just keep doing it like 1,000 times.
Go.
Keep it.
Go.
Whoa. Oh no. It's coming this way. Oh god, it's gonna smell so bad.
What were your thoughts on the geezer?
It's like old people. A little puff. And that's it. Well, finally made it to potentially an area where we can actually fly a drone. So we're going to attempt to do that. Hopefully that's in sync with the audio off of that. But we're then gonna have it go up, up and back. Okay, we're at Sutherland, southern Iceland. We're going to be checking out the back of a waterfall,
The front of a waterfall.
the place where they shot the opening of Rogue One, the black sand beach.
Or a glacier.
Definitely a glacier, seeing a glacier today. But isn't this a beautiful sea? It was much prettier yesterday.
Well,
The sun had come out
this is
yesterday.
Iceland in general. It's
Right.
cold.
It's cold. It's wonderful. And we're also on the quest for the perfect closing. So we're going to attempt to do it right here. So what's this waterfall called?
Don't ask.
Don't ask.
Seljalandsfoss. Seljalandsfoss.
Why is it anytime I see nature, Jurassic Park starts playing in my head? So you could keep going, but it's windy and wet.
If it wasn't for your back, I would say you have.
It's super wet here.
The backside of water.
Yay! Welcome to the filming location of Rogue One, the opening sequence, starring Lauren Wheeler. Left hand. Do not go in the yellow zone. Okay.
Jen, what have you become?
Wasn't shot here.
Huh?
That was on a soundstage. But I like the enthusiasm.
It's pretty fucking cool, right?
Super fucking cool. I forget that it's a beach and you're walking in sand. And I hate sand. It gets everywhere. My shoes have sand in them. I fucking hate that. God damn.
Baywatch.
Hello? We made it to the black sand beaches.
What was filmed here?
Rogue One, the
What
opening. I don't know.
Game of Thrones.
Game of Thrones. Was it?
Yeah.
I had no idea. See, you learn shit new.
Also an episode of Star Trek. The OG.
Wait, the original?
Yeah.
With Kirk?
Uh-huh.
Are you sure?
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
On this beach.
Do you want me to?
A black sandy beach. It is amazing. It's cloudy. And I love it here. And I'm going to live here now. This is my home.
Star Trek Into Darkness.
Oh, yeah, that's the movie, not the
Oh.
OG. So here, we'll pick that line back up. Go ahead.
No, because now you're going to make me look like an idiot.
I'm not going to edit it that way, no. Star
Okay.
Trek Into Darkness, yeah, that makes sense.
So Rogue One.
Rogue One, Game of Thrones, Star Trek Into Darkness. Hate to say it, I like Iceland more than New Zealand. Anyway, we're going to try our second take at closing out. You ready?
Yeah.
Put your phone down. What's next?
Well, some lunch probably.
Do you want to try the fish and chips here?
I mean, I was good with just a hot dog too.
Yeah, it works for me, so we can keep going.
So, but I'm trying to figure out.
Fortunately, due to time, I'm probably not going to make the distillery today. Well, I guess actually on this trip because we fly home tomorrow, so. By the way, did you check in for the flights?
Not yet.
Oh, we still have to check in for the flights.
You need a better background.
Delicious.
It's a glacier.
Looks like a rock.
It's a glacier.
Rock of glacier.
Rock of ice.
Rock of ice, there you go. We're here at Lauren's favorite waterfall.
I didn't say it was my favorite.
So, there's your waterfall. You can also walk all the way up to the top. But we're not doing that because back issues. Hey, Lauren. What do you think of this waterfall?
I like it. What do you think?
It's pretty. Uh, I don't know. Our second take at closing out. You ready?
Yeah.
Put your phone down. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you can see all of our adventures over here, or here.
Bye-bye.
Ah.